Alright, let's hope this is working again. I'm gonna wait for people who were here. Oof, that did not mean to, I don't know why that happened actually. Oof, that's not good. Alright, let's wait for. Okay, so apparently my stream crashed. Uh, my stream crashed, right? Alright, so yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back. Yeah, welcome back. Sorry for that. I had a small error. You see, OBS decided to stop streaming for some reason. I don't know how long it stopped streaming for, right? All that matters is that I'm back on now. So, let's begin. So we left off right here where our stuff started to spin, right? OBS is my streaming software that I use. But yeah, it stopped streaming. Yeah, that's OBS. Yeah, always always glitching out. Okay, right. So we left this. It was spinning. Okay. Whoops. So now that we have that, it's spinning and everything. It's great. We're going to change our x values now. Now I don't know what's gonna happen when I do this. That's what happens, ladies and gentlemen. Can I? Why does it keep on doing that? Hold up. Over here it says I have 0 viewers, and over here it says I have 2 viewers. Now, which one do I believe? Let's see. Let's go over to my channel. Let's see if. Let's go over to my channel. You pin chat. Oh. Oh, Sphere. Welcome to the stream. All right, cool. We got people now. 4 people. Awesome. All right, awesome. Okay, that makes me happy. So we have a lot of people now. All right, let's get back to this. A cookie clicker stream. I can do that tomorrow if you'd want. Like, if people want, I can stream tomorrow, and then I'll stream. I can stream cookie clicker, like making cookie clicker. All right. So we were currently here in our firework journey. So now we gotta create. First of all, the speed's way too fast still, so we're just gonna divide this by 1.5 for our x. Cool. Actually, no, that's pointless. But we can multiply this by a math.sign of math.random multiplied by let me explain what math.sign does. Math.sign basically returns a 0, a -1, or a 1. And we can use that to figure out how much we want to multiply our speed by. And that's going to give it the operator of a negative or a positive. If it's a negative, well, then you're just going to go to the left. If it's a positive, go to the right. So I have to figure that out now, how I'm going to do this. So math.random. I don't even think I can do that, so yeah. I noticed I have a lot of Portal 2 viewers. Did you guys know I'm actually working on a Portal mod called Aperture Salt Mines? I'm a puzzle designer for it. So yeah, I love Portal. Portal is some of my favorite games. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Right, so this goes up and then I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Math.sign, math.random. I guess I can do -1, but that's not gonna do anything. This is not gonna be good code, but it's something that has to get done. Oh, there's gonna be a better way around this. I know there's gonna be a better way around this, but honestly, at this point, I can't think of it. So this dot, uh, n- no, this dot negative. Wait, value. Hmm, I will call it value. All right. This dot value equals 0. We're gonna set it to neutrals, right? It's not gonna move at all. And we're just gonna multiply this dot speed by this dot value, and you'll see why in a second. Hold up. No, we don't. No, we don't. Because we don't want to get it at a random. How do fireworks work? I live in a state that has a lot of fireworks, so I should know. Anyways, if this dot value no, I'm gonna set this equal to math dot random multiplied by 2, and we're gonna round that. As it can give us a rounded number. If we're gonna say if this dot value is greater than 1, then we're gonna say this dot value equals 1. Else this dot value equals -1, and let's just see. That was horrendous. Oh, what's this? I saw your Team Trees video on Reddit. Oh, that's cool. I didn't. Were you just Faxsphere? Were you just like browsing? Were you just like browsing Reddit and then you found my video, or is that how you found me? Like, how long ago was this? Or was this like recent? Because if it's recent, then that's pretty cool. Ah, 1 year ago. Okay, got it. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I made like a quick Unity game to just to promote Team Trees, help out the environment, let more people know about that project. It was a very nice project. It's gonna help out our planet. Trees. Anyways, back to this. You can see here. That's kind of horrendous. So do you guys like? That's a little bit better. Do you guys like Half-Life by any chance? So yeah, that's a terrible solution to do that. Because if you guys like, do you guys too young to play it? Mm. Ah, all right. Okay. Yeah, because if you guys do end up playing it, it's a great game. Like I actually recently saw the mod for it today. It's pretty nice. It's like basically makes all the graphics better, everything. Are you asking Faxsphere or are you asking me? I'm 14. And you're probably asking me like, hey Tofu, how can you be 14 if when you made your Minecraft video, you said you were 12? Well, that's because when I made my Minecraft video, that was in July of last year, and September is my birthday. So I turned 13 then, and then well, a whole year passed, and now I'm 14. So yeah, yeah. Oh, nice, nice. Your birthday's in September. That's cool. It's cool. Yeah. Okay. Fireworks in JavaScript. Boom. So I figured something out. I doesn't do anything. No, that's it. You can do anything? No. So I figured something out. We're gonna want to rotate our x1, just our x1. You don't want to do anything else but rotate our x1. Okay. So no, that's not gonna work. Okay. And hopefully this rotates now. Oof, no, no. That's not. It's not all what we want. 10. I don't see what the heck is going on over here. It's beautiful, but confusing. Definitely confusing. Too confusing, in fact. That's actually more or less the thing I want. Let's see if that does anything. Right, that's what I want, but how do we get there? Now I don't know. That's why right here. Boom. That's definitely a contributing factor. Alright. Why? ¿Por qué? Why? It's because we're rotating it? We don't want to rotate it? Yeah. There we go. Times 100? Times 100. So who's your guys' favorite character? Who's your guys' favorite character from Portal? Flashlight core. You mean Wheatley? Because Wheatley turns on the flashlight at one point in the game. But I don't know who Flashlight Core is. I never heard of him. My gosh, that starts floating up. Uh, hmm. So we're going to create a function called 2 degrees. Alright, it's going to take in a radian. Let's just look up degree to radian, because I don't know. Oh, sorry, I meant radian to degree. So actually, I don't know that. Tell me it's the same formula. Oh, no. Okay, you switch this. Whoops. You do 180 divided by math.pi. Let's test this. 57, 57. Okay, cool. That works. Now we're gonna do plus equals 2 degrees this dot degrees. Honest? So who is Flashlight Core? Because I don't know who that is. I'm not familiar with that. Why are you? You're not going the right way. That's a problem. Maybe add this to x1 too. No. No, because that's saying plus equal 50, isn't it? That's probably is what it's doing. Right, so that'd be saying like plus 57, which is too much. So yeah, just convert it to 2 radians, I guess. Yeah, but then we're not doing that. Let's, I guess we gotta multiply that by like 10. What the? Oof, I think that's not what we need, but that looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. Actually, yeah, so we can get rid of this dot 2 degrees. I guess we'll get rid of it if we like don't need it for the rest. Will we need it? No, probably not. So I got rid of it. How many lines of code do we have right now? 136. How does this look like without that? What? Okay. What if you just didn't move, please? Instead of going that way? Like, mate, stop going that way. That has no right to look as cool as it does. Also, I've noticed something. Since we're setting our y2 up here, we shouldn't be setting it down here to plus equals something. Right? It's just... No. No, we should be, apparently. So it's this one that doesn't matter, I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah, this one doesn't matter. So apparently the y ones don't matter. So the x ones shouldn't matter either. Which I guess makes sense. That's perfect, but if you can stop going that way, that would be great, man. Right now it's moving to the left. I know why it's moving to the left. I know why it's moving to the left, but there's not much I can do about that. How about let's not call our rotation values for now. So let's not rotate anything at the moment. Well, now we just made Pseudo 3D. We made like half a cube. I mean, not half a cube, half a cone. That's not what we want. The problem is that I need to get the radian. I need to move it out. Here, I'll show you guys what I mean. Yeah, I'm not be right backing anymore. Right, so you have a bunch of lines, right? Currently, all these lines are going down here. Right, they're all coming up here, they're all starting up here, and now they're going to the bottom left. Which is good, because all the lines are moving how they should be. The problem, currently, is that they're not going in each of their directions, which I need them to go in. Let me add the rotation again. Okay, now let's disregard our y value for now. It appears to be going the opposite way than it should be. Go that way. See how they're all moving to the left? I need them to go in the direction that they're all facing, which is not left, they're facing right. Oh, 0 viewers. That's not good. Alright, well. Okay, that's fine. Uh-oh. Windows is yelling at me. Right, let's see this. Maybe you want to multiply that, but I highly doubt that. That's going to create exponential values. Watch, this is going to crumble. Oh, 2 viewers are back. Cool. See, I don't think you guys ever actually left. I think YouTube here is just being really weird. Because, like, again, if I go over to my channel right now, it's probably going to show you guys are still there. Yeah, 2 watching. So you guys are still there. I don't know what YouTube's doing. Why is you not working, man? Oh? Wait, they're actually starting to move now. But they're closing in on themselves. Which is not what fireworks do. Fireworks do not close in on themselves. The heck did I just make? That's cool. It's cooler than a firework. Okay, I don't know what I just created, but I made something. I like it. But it's not a firework, so we gotta get a move on. Let's see this. And if I'm not mistaken, oh no, it's just going the opposite way that we just had. What if we just didn't? We had that. Yeah, you see that? And it's what we had, right? But see, yeah, again, that's what we had. Now it's not doing what I want it to do. Well, I guess let's try rotating our regular rotation again. Okay, our regular rotation is a regular rotation, right? That works just as intended. Now let's change our x1 instead. Whoa, that just expanded. That just expanded. That didn't even give an effort. Actually, I had an idea. What if we do what if we do let's go back to our x2 and we change this back to x1. So this is basically has no effect other than going the opposite way. Well, not opposite way, but it was doing something else weird. Let's plus equal. Oh, this is gonna be a terrible idea. I know it already. Because now this is gonna make it go. Oh no, this is not gonna be good. No, that's just silly. Move up. I need you to move up. I need to get the degrees. Rather than rotating it. We're gonna get the degrees. Right? Degrees. I had an idea. Okay. Then we're just gonna put the bump. Bah. Boom. No, my gosh. Move. I need you to move already. You're going. It's forming cool patterns, but a cool pattern is not what I need. I need actual fireworks. I need it to go boom in a circle. It's because of this, maybe. Let's just all add over. No, it doesn't do anything. It's creating DNA now. Okay, and what happens if we send everything 2 radians? Okie dokie. Do you guys see what I'm trying to do? Because maybe my logic's just flawed right now. You know. See, you see, it's now the fact that it's rotating is cool. And although that's cool and fun, it's not what I need. You guys still there? I'm sure you are. Let's try opposing values. That doesn't work either. Maybe I'll try opposing values for this one. Thing is, we're supposed to be doing this for y2 as well, or else that's going to be weird, so maybe that's adding to it. No, it's not. It's not adding to it, it's just, again, being annoying. Okay, let's actually take this as a logical approach, because right now I'm just spewing stuff and hoping it works. It's like a detailed simulation, basically, but in paint, of what's happening right now. It's all gonna click soon, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so we have our rotation, right? All our rotated lines, right, that form our explosion. They're all here, right? So now that we've rotated them, so they're all rotated, we don't need to change the rotation. So we don't need to change the rotation, we simply need to keep extending. So let's take one of our lines, let's take, for example, this line. We're gonna draw it down here, right? As an example. We have our line. This has an X and a Y. 1, 1. This one has an X2 and a Y2, right? So they have coordinate pairs, ordered pairs, I mean. For an X and a Y, there's 4 of them. What we want to do is get all those values, which we have access to, and increase our endpoint. So you want to keep on increasing our endpoint while simultaneously decreasing our starting point. And I think once we can do that, so that's going to basically keep on, what that's going to do is allow us to keep on growing our line while shortening it behind us, right? So once we do that, we increase our line and we decrease our line. That's going to keep on going forever, and that's going to keep on making a longer line. So then my logic isn't flawed. Unless I'm seeing something that no one else, unless I'm seeing something that's not. Maybe instead of adding this, plus equals 1. Let's just try 1. Alright, so our start point would be our x1, so we want to, minus that. I see where it's going wrong. The left, hey, 404 subs. That's nice. Thank you. 404, that's nice. Let's 404. Oops, not mean to click there. That's nice. 404. Thanks for 404 subscribers. Let's go back here. Why should you go there? Okay, well, I'm just gonna delete this because that's not working. We already established that's not working. Now let's give a jab at the Y. Because same principle. Why? Why are you... If you're going that way, right? And you're going that way, so it's working. It's just I'm not creating lines that are... Oh boy. Let's try this off of one firework for now. I'm just gonna take one of them. Because I can't focus with this many fireworks on just all of them. One firework. Right, so you're going that way and you're going that way. So it's going left and right at the same time? Okay. Well, chat. I noticed you guys... Oh? Oh. Oh, there's... Welcome to the stream. I... I... RNG, I told you, I've been wanting to stream for like a month, right? I never streamed, right? You're probably live streaming this right now on Discord, aren't you? But yeah, you know I want to stream for like a month now. I want been doing the fireworks, and actually, you can see these fireworks right here, and you can see me having a mental breakdown over this. Basically, there's a problem. I Paint illustrates it beautifully. My logic is here, but it's not working. Yeah, it pretty much is. Persuader 3D. Obviously, you want to be able to use this in a real 3D environment, since it's just an illusion right now of 3D. But you can see how the firework goes up, and it's increasing and decreasing at the same time, which is what I want, but I want one to dominate the other. And that's not happening. So my logic somewhere here is flawed. Right here. Yeah, it is pretty sad. But, well, I can miss the fit. No, that one has the character you want me to watch. Can we do it tomorrow? Or would you be fine with doing it later, RNG? I don't think he's here anymore. Uh-oh. Alright, well, he's gone. Yeah, okay, whatever. Oh, that's a pretty color, actually. But now, he's the Portal 2 guy. He has Aperture Salt Mines, and I'm a puzzle designer for it. As I mentioned earlier. So, yeah, he just dropped in to yell at me. X1, X2, Y1, Y2. Let's go back in here. So, right, so we gotta figure out a couple of things. We gotta figure out which way the thing is facing, and we already have that with our degrees. Oh, idea. All right. since each of these, right, each of the lines being casted, right, they they all have a central, thing in common. They all can be divided into 180. So no, it can't be divided into 180, but they all split at 180. And 180 is when it defines whether or not you're on this half or if you're on this half. Uh, so we can detect now using this information. We can detect if you are lower than 180, or if you are sorry, that says greater than 180. Okay, here, or if you're less than 180. If you're less than 180, you're gonna go with a positive. And if you're in that, then you're going to go for negative. Using this, we can figure out whether or not we want to multiply it by a negative or by a positive. Uh, it's on ModDB. Oh, shoot, I have a lot of DMs. Why is there Portal 2 in this? Uh, okay, well, I'm just gonna hide my screen real quick with like paint, because I don't want people seeing my DMs. Yeah, I'm telling some people that I'm currently streaming. Oh, okay. Well, he's here, everyone. He's here. The RNG guy, the guy who's makes aperture salt mines. He's here. Okay, well, okay, well, okay, well, okay, well, yeah, whatever. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, do check it out. It has a ModDB page. No, he's talking about aperture salt mines. RNG. I was so Meme Central and a guy named Faxsphere are really into Portal 2. And they're the people that are watching my stream currently. So I told them that I'm a puzzle designer for Aperture Salt Mines, and then you showed up. So yeah, RNG is the owner of Aperture Salt Mines. Yeah. Feel free to link the ModDB, RNG. I won't ban you. That's what I want you to think. Yeah, so we're gonna set this dot direction. Actually, yeah, we can call it direction. So direction, yeah. -1 or 1 to multiply it by whichever way we're facing. So we're going to set that equal to a neutral 0 for now. Then we're going to say if this dot degrees is greater than 180, yeah, if it's greater than 180, we're going to set direction to 1. Else, if you, whoops, oh no.